my book will actually give you a sort of insight of my childhood days, and hope my book can actually inspire a lot of people around the world. When things may seem a bit tough and hard, hard days, it's still possible, and you're not going to actually give up hope. So most people really haven't seen that side of Chris Gayle, and I just want to share these sort of moments with each and everyone.
For the big man, if you were to personify cricket and entertainment, it would look.
When I did the heart surgery in Australia a couple of years ago, that's when that's what I said to myself, I'm going to live life to the fullest, because at that particular time, that was my first ever surgery. And when I get out of bed that particular day, I was like, I just cheated death from my point of view, because I never done any particular surgery in my life.
We're going to feel a lot more inspired to do what we want to do with a lot of dedication, I claim. And well,